Welcome to my tutorial video on how to download your Facebook data. First, you need to go to facebook.com and log in to your account. Once on Facebook, you need to go to your drop-down menu on the top right and click on Settings. Next, click on Your Facebook Information on the left sidebar. Navigate to where it says Download Your Information and click on View next to it. On this page, select and unselect which data you want to download, including posts, photos, videos, messenger communications, and so on. Then, click on Create File. Facebook will notify you once your data file is ready to download. Thanks for watching our video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel.